Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So today I found this paint at Walmart that's a hologram paint. So I'm going to use it with a matte and see what happens. It is Folk Art Extreme Glitter in Hologram. And the matte paint that I chose is Deco Art Calypso Blue. And I mixed both of them, this time with Liquitex pouring medium. And I added just a tiny bit of water to this one. I don't think I added any water to the blue. And hopefully they'll move okay. I wanted to see what would happen. I thought about putting down a cloud base and then pouring, and I thought, well, no, since I'm using this and it's white and it's got all this glittery iridescence in it, I think I'll just not go that route. I think I'll just layer these two and see what happens and go from there. So I may just do a ring pour. I kind of like to see how this will do. So I'm going to put the white in first. Just a little bit. Only takes about 2 ounces for this canvas. I went ahead and put some white paint around my edges because I have white paint in here. If I hadn't had white paint in there, I would not have used white. But I just wanted some paint over that edge all the way around, just in case. My design didn't flow all the way off the edge, all the way down. This looks really glittery. It was $5.44 for 8 ounces, I believe. So not that cheap. $10 for 16 ounces. To me, it's not that cheap. So we will see. Do you all hold your breath when you do ring pours? I catch myself doing it. I also catch myself moving across the canvas if I'm not careful. I've already lost some. Ooh, it's so glittery. This stuff is awesome. I hope the camera is going to pick this up. I didn't realize I had all that blue paint on my fingers. I've already had a blue pop up right there. That's weird. Maybe making it worse. So, I'm going to stretch this other corner out. Drop it off. I sure am disappointed over that big blob. Because the rest of it, the lines look pretty good. Not in the center, but the lines around the edges. Ooh, I may be running out of paint. Well, foot. I don't know what I want to do here now. Let me look at it for a minute. It's really frosted about that big blob right there. Stretch it. Stretch it. Pull this up here. See if I can stretch it back over this way a little bit. I just don't know about this. I should have had more paint. But I'm going to see if I can get that blob off. I don't think I'll have enough paint to do it though. Phooey. I'll know when I go back and review whether or not I dripped. I may have dripped something off my glove, but I don't think I did. These colors are so pretty. That hologram stuff has spread glitter all over the whole top of this. Bet my little great-granddaughter will like this one. Ooh, I'd like to do an angel wing pour with this and actually get angel wings. Maybe it's going to go off. Even if I just get most of it, I'll be happy. I know, this is boring. There we go. I think we're going to get rid of it. Unfortunately, I got rid of that cute little swirl in the corner, too. But it looks better. I have to fix my sides. They look bad. So, I'm going to take the camera down, give you a close-up, and see if you all can see the glitter. It looks like it's turquoise and silver or white. And it is evenly spread out across the whole thing. So I think I'm in love with this paint. But I think this is pretty, the way it swoops down. It's nothing dramatic. No, it's not dramatic. It almost looks like a wing. I don't know. To me, it just looks a little bit like a wing. So I'll show you up close. Thanks for watching. Okie dokie. I think the camera's going to pick this up, even with the reflection. I'll try to get off that reflection. But see all that glitter in there? This is so pretty. I can just see kids just having a fit over one of these, regardless of what colors you used. See as it shifts? Don't want to give anybody motion sickness, but definitely shows up, depending on the light source and how you're looking at it. So, thanks for watching, and so this was a cool what if. What if I mix matte paint with the hologram paint and do a ring pour? So just, you know, note to self, have more paint next time. So thanks for watching, everybody, and thanks to my new subscribers for subscribing. I invite you to come back, watch me again. I'm doing a what if series, a real short one, I think maybe 5 videos, to see just some different things, new things, a different approach or technique or whatever I can think of. So thanks for joining me. Such a disappointment. You can barely see any lines in this at all now. So I guess we'll have to pour over this. This is it, dry. I just wanted to give you all a peek at it. So I will continue to experiment. I guess with this hologram paint, we need to add some color to it, some matte paint. So thanks for watching.